We're not at the top yet. I hear that helicopter and I think I'm going to push my button and try and make a spot for that helicopter to land at the top, because I don't think I can walk down. And I know my sister's thinking the same way. Oh my God. Oh, look. Welcome to my channel, Live on Alberta. My name is Carrie and I love hiking. My videos will show you all aspects of the trail and the unparalleled beauty of our Canadian Rockies. Today we're in Canmore, Alberta, and we'll be summiting Grassi Knob. The trail is 8 kilometers out and back with an elevation gain of 813 meters. Well, today we're in Canmore. Happy New Year, everyone. And we're going to be hiking up to Grassi Knob. Temperature is about minus 10 degrees Celsius. Today I'll be hiking with my sister and my brother-in-law. And here we go. So we started out on the same trail that I took in the summer to the Three Sisters waterfalls. Well, as you can see, the trail's well packed. So we got some old piping here, all wood, wrapped with metal around it. To our right here is Three Sisters Creek. Not sure if it's flowing, can't see yet. We're 1.3k in, and we've made it to the bridge. Well, question answered. The creek is flowing. Wow. So just past the creek, we're going to turn right and take the Highline Trail. So we're coming across another sign. I think that was it for our gradual elevation gain. We're at 2.4k. A couple people just passed us going down. They said it gets really steep up ahead. So I think I'll be putting my crampons on pretty soon. We're at 2.6k, and the Highline Trail goes that way. Now it's getting steeper again. We're just over 3.2k. And this ain't nothing yet compared to what we're gonna be getting into. Beautiful view of Grotto here. Well, I may have to put my crampons on soon. Tricky little section there. Trail's leveled off a little bit. Okay. That nice part didn't last long. Up, up, up. We're at 4.1K. There's a trail to the left, but we want to continue on the one to the right. Now we're getting steep. I got my crampons on, which is good. Trail's eased up for a couple of minutes here. Okay, back to getting steep again. Well, I'm hoping we're getting close here. Back in the shade. First view of all three sisters. Woohoo! I think we're getting close because I see rock. I hope. We gotta be getting close, Kev. We gotta be getting close. I think we're close. And then look. We're not close. Oh my God. I'm not even gonna say I think we're close anymore because I really don't have a clue. And more up. Oh my God. Yeah, still up. Oh my God. We're not at the top yet. I hear that helicopter and I think I'm gonna push my button and try and make a spot for that helicopter to land at the top, because I don't think I can walk down. And I know my sister's thinking the same way. Oh my God. Oh, look. All I know is that we better have some spanking views up here. I'm sure we will. Look at that. Beauty. Look at that beauty. Hey! Woo! 5.2K. The summit. Grassi Knob. Well, that's what my haul trail says. One last view from the summit of Grassi Knob. Beauty. Here we go. And one last look back. Well, before we lose it light, just gonna do my recap here. A little bit more than I anticipated for. The distance was good, but the elevation gain was probably a little bit more than I would have planned for. Definitely, once you get up there, the 360 views are just spectacular. But yeah, it's a tougher one, for sure. First 2K are nice and easy, and then you go up, and you go up, and you go up. Another good outing. First hike of 2023. There's where we were. Grassi Knob. And we're back. Woohoo! Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and a comment would be greatly appreciated. In my next video, we will be back in Kananaskis country. We will be hiking up the north side of the Upper Kananaskis Lake to the Upper Kananaskis Falls. This hike is the most stunning winter landscape I have ever seen. If you would like to see more hiking videos, subscribe to my channel Live on Alberta, where I feature over 90 hikes. Cheers.